Okay, this is my how-to to take apart a zippo lighter. First, you just gotta open it, take out the inside, just like that, and then unscrew this right here. You can do it with a screwdriver or with your hands, doesn't really matter. Take it out, and if you have a real zippo, it will have this little brass thing right here on the end of the spring. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but that's how you tell if you have a real zippo. Well, one of the ways. And just take out a little cotton thing on the bottom. And another thing, if this is a real zippo, it has 5 rayon balls. They're like the little cotton things that soak up the lighter fluid. 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's another one in there, wedged in there, behind where you put the flint. You don't really need to take that one out because it's not really in the way. So, and then what you gotta do, well, if you put some bad fuel in the rayon balls, you can just take them all out and let them sit out for about 2 hours, 3 hours, so all the bad stuff, all the bad fuel comes out. And you can just take, oh, and you'll need a pair of needle nose pliers for this. And you just take out, there's a wick inside there, and there, and you just gotta dig in a little bit and try and get it out. Take the pliers and grab it, and you just pull it out all the way. And there's your wick. Usually they're a lot longer, but I haven't changed mine. So there's just the outer casing of it without anything in it. There's the 4 of the 5 rayon balls. The little cotton thing you put on the bottom. My spring, my flint, and the case, and the wick. So how to put it back together? Well, here's all the parts. And there's all of them just put together. So here's how to put it back together. So you take your wick here, and there's a little hole right down there. I don't know if you can see it, but that little hole, you gotta feed the burnt end of the wick right through that little hole there, and you have to pull it out with your needle nose pliers. Let's see if I can get this. This took me a while to do my first time, so it'll probably take me a while now anyway, so. Take that. This is the hardest part of the whole thing, so. Try the back end here. And put it through the top. And just pull it out to the bottom there. If I can get this. See, it's just come to the bottom just a little bit. Pinch it there. So just pull it out until it's about to the top of the chimney. That's what the chimney is, the little top of the zippo thing right there. So I'm just gonna pull it out till I get the right length. Hopefully I don't pull it out all the way. And that's exactly what I did. So good job, Luke. You're an idiot. So I'll try this from the other way this time, because I'm not that smart. Friggin' thing won't work, of course. Oh, there we go. I got it to the top there. It's just enough to pull it through. And again, you want to have your wick just level with the chimney. I'm going to go get some scissors so I can do it. I'm just going to cut the wick here so it's down the sides of the chimney. These scissors are really dull. Well, screw that. I'll save that for now. And then flip it upside down. You got your wick in there, right there. So then you bend it over to whatever side you want, and you stuff the first rayon ball in. Take your screwdriver, just shove it in. Down there. And then take your wick, fold it over to the other side. I'm just going to do that with my hand. And then shove another rayon ball in. And make sure they're in there nice and tight, or else they won't fit in. So, I got my third one. And then my last one, which goes right there. Push it in. And I put the little top thing that you fold up. Fill it up. There we go. I got my 5 round balls in there. Just put a little cotton thing on top. And then I drop in my little piece of flint. There. And I take this with the little brass thing on the end, put it in there, screw it in, and put it in the case. Now you're done. And zippo, just taking it apart and putting it back together. Just like that.